I'm Eddie and I want you to be a YouTube success. Today I want to talk to you about your audience. Before I do that, I want to talk to my audience, which is you guys. Make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or anything you don't know about. I will answer the best I can. If I don't know, I will do some research. And if I still can't find it, I'll let you know that I can't find it. Your audience is going to be basically you in a different format. You are your own audience. If you're doing a YouTube channel on something that you're truly passionate about, odds are you've already looked into that on YouTube and other places too. If you're doing Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, you've done the research on that subject. And all I'm telling you to do right now is think about what you're doing and how it relates to what you used to do. You'll want to see a video that you can relate to, that you enjoy, that captures their attention. So that's what I'm telling you to do when you're thinking about your audience and how they relate to you, how you want to capture their attention, what they're interested in. All I'm saying is, when you're thinking about your audience, you also need to consider the things that you've been interested in the past. Let's look at what that is. Go through everything that you've looked through on your own personal channel as a search history, things that you've looked at. Those are the same things that your audience is going to be looking at. You have a search history on YouTube, things that you've done the research on. You have a search history in Google, things that you've done research on. Look at those. Those are your titles. Before you started your YouTube channel, those are the things that you've looked up. Those are going to be your titles for upcoming videos. Those are going to be your titles for things that you're going to post. Basically, you are your own audience. So you're going to do the research off of the things that you've done in the past to help your channel grow. Also keep in mind, bigger YouTube channels will grow and they'll learn from a bigger audience. It comes down to larger channels grow on a different pace than you will as a smaller channel, but you'll get to that point eventually once you start getting subscribers and once you start making videos. I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a better YouTuber.